Hi, Shraddha, Firecracker of 2024. Thanks. The blockbuster movie of the year. Single led by like a female oriented movie. And how does it feel? Like the response?
No, no. So it's not a single led by a movie by a female. It is. We have my producer Dinesh Vision here. This movie has happened because of him, because of his faith and his trust in the first part. Where during that time there were people, and also now he's actually the biggest risk taker. A lot of people. I don't know how many people. Do you know actually? I want to know this from you. How did you feel when you said yes to Stree, the first one?
I think the way, and we
Were you
must have-
scared?
I think the idea is you get up in the morning, and I'm sure you do it, that you almost say, I cannot not make this movie, rather than let's make this. I think that's easier to do. So you get up in the morning, you're like this, and I told you that, I've had a lot of, ये स्त्री है, कुछ भी कर सकती है ना. So I've had a lot of women in my life who played an instrument role. My mother, my sisters, my wife, my daughter, you. So I think it's as simple as that. Don't you like get up in the morning and get the same feeling?
Absolutely, and also Stree has happened because of him, because of Dinesh Vijan, and it is because of him the second part has also happened, and with amazing actors, beautiful writing, beautiful, lovely VFX in our second part as well.
Sadh's love
So,
for VFX. We're in life as this.
And now,
Orumaban.
the audiences have also loved our VFX, but it's a very proud moment for me to be a part of a film like this, for him to cast me in a film like this, to include me in the gang, to include me in this amazing journey of his horror comedy universe that he is expanding with Munja, with Thama, with our film, with Bhedia. So it's very, very exciting for me to be a part of that.
Let's
and
be honest. Sri would not be Sri without Shraddha, right? Not
definitely.
possible.
Yeah.
She's very humble, but she really empowered the film by being
No,
part of.
I really feel like Stree is what it is for the fates that the makers have had in it, because it started from there, and without that it would not have been possible. And then of course it's been a blast being on the film, and I can't wait to get back on Stree 3 with the entire gang.
We can't wait to watch that also. But lastly, Dinesh, script, of course, work. But how do you decide that it's going to be really profitable? I mean, you have a hat trick this year.
I think, like she said, risk take. I think by being unique is important, but risk, it doesn't really feel like a risk. I think uh, if everything is making sense and it's seeming really nice, like a balance sheet, and it's looking profitable, those films are not going to work. I think uh, you need to be unique. If you want to be unique, there is risk in being unique, but the reward is that much greater. So I think if you, like we were just talking inside, if you're unique and the subject is relevant to this new emerging, beautifully powerful India, and you do it correctly. So, there are a lot of people, Maddock is not just me, who make sure we are on time, make sure we're on budget, who make sure the writing is at that level. And I think what is very important, which three is a classic example, and any film I do, is everybody on the table should get soft and hard value. So everyone should uh, get the financial benefit that they need and want, and they should also get soft value.
Right.
So I think Shraddha will do a lot of films. Shraddha will empower a lot of makers going forward. But somewhere, Shraddha will always remember Sri for what she gave it, because I don't think there's another film where she can go out and say Sri ye kuch bhi kar sakti.
And lastly, a lot of fans for three verse. What are we expecting next?
So there's Thama. We just started filming. It has Ayushmann and Rashmika. And you never know who else. You never know who might come. You never know who might come. Like it happened is that's next for now, which comes on Diwali.
All right. Thank you.